Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Maria, and I'm a legal associate at Lexis and Company. Today, I will be dealing with a topic that is contract of indemnity. So, this contract of indemnity is a legal agreement between two parties in which one party agrees to compensate the other party for any loss, damage, or liability that may arise from a specific event or circumstance. The purpose of this type of contract is to shift the risk of loss from one party to another. Section 24 of Indian Contract Act deals with the contract of indemnity. The party providing the indemnity, known as the indemnifier, who agrees to protect the other party, and the party who agrees to protect the other party, known as the indemnity holder, from any financial consequences resulting from specified events or actions. These events or actions could include breaches of contract, negligence, or other types of liability. The contract typically outlines the scope of indemnification, specifying the type of losses or liabilities covered, the limits of indemnity, and any conditions or exclusions. It may also include provisions regarding the process for making a claim, the method of compensation, and any requirements for the indemnity to mitigate their losses. It's important to note that the specific terms and provisions of a contract of indemnity may vary depending on the jurisdiction and the specific circumstances of the agreement. It is recommended to consult with a legal professional to ensure the contract adequately protects the party's interest and complies with the applicable laws. So, this is from my side today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question regarding contract of indemnity, please do let me know in the comment box.